Hey guys, Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, heading out to Jean Morton's house to see what she thinks about her new coatings. And yeah, we just wanted to get some insight from her and have you guys get a chance on seeing on what some of our other customers are saying. She is out in Trilogy, and if you bought a home in Trilogy in Napomo, you probably went through Jean. So yeah, let's check it out, see what she has to say, and thank you guys for watching as usual. We appreciate it.
Exceeded my expectations. I called in one day and I believe they were out the next day with the estimator and telling me what he was going to do and giving me all of the options which were important to me. And then the estimate was right away and the work was scheduled right away as well. The installation process was seamless. When they came out here to do this, they walked around with me to make sure I knew what they were going to do and that it was what I wanted them to do. The guys were on time, were very professional, and really knew their product. And again, it was just a great experience. After several months, it looks as good as it did the first day they installed it. I'm totally thrilled about it. I've seen so many of my clients' homes, their garage, and they should have used SLG. I would highly recommend this company to any of my friends, my family, and all of my clients. Again, I've seen so many jobs by other vendors, and boy, they look like they needed to be done and hadn't even been done. This company's product is superior to all that I've seen. As a realtor here in Trilogy, I've seen a lot. This is the best, and I will only recommend this company. They're amazing.
Thank you so much, Jean. We appreciate it.
My pleasure, but more importantly, thank you for the superior product, customer service, follow through. You guys are the best.
Great. That's awesome. We really appreciate that. Thank you.